The structure of the face can be broken down into geometric shapes. If you want to draw and paint faces, whether realistic or stylized, you should learn these forms and shapes the best you can. One resource that's been a huge help to me is this 3D head model this person here put up on ArtStation, which unfortunately isn't a very artist-friendly place nowadays, but I'll still go back for this awesome post. You can view it at different angles with various lighting, so it's great for reference, but it's also good to commit some of this to memory, and all of this detail is pretty intimidating, so let's break it down further. Start with a rounded cube, and then give it ears, which should be centered on opposite sides. With the ears in place, it's easier to tell what direction each bust is facing, and there's a lot that connects back to the ears. This includes the jawline, which you can start at the bottom of the ears and bring down to connect at the chin. Now flip a triangle upside down and cut off this tip. This is the connector between the forehead and nose. Place it centered on the face and hovering just above the eyeline. Bring out these brow lines from the corners, and now we have our forehead separated at the top. Next, draw in a basic shape for the nose. The nose alone has a lot of planes and complex shapes, but for our purpose, this super simplified version will do. Hopefully, you left enough room underneath it for the mouth area, because that's what we're adding next. Notice how on the model, this section forms a circular shape, with the mouth in the middle. So, we can connect this shape to the sides of the nose, and leave a little bit of chin space underneath. This circular section has a slight outward bulge, which will be most noticeable from the side. The cheekbone line starts at the upper part of the ear, and goes down the face in a curve, connecting to the edges of the mouth. Remember that it's a slight upward curve, like a rainbow. Bring the eyeline out further to connect to the cheekbone line if needed. Now, this point where they connect is where you start another, shorter line that goes up to this line here. Now we have our space for the eyes established, so we can draw those in as simple round shapes that fit in the space between all these lines. Finally, connect the eyes to the top and bottom areas of the nose shape with these lines. These resulting triangular shapes are the sides of the nose bridge. Now, hopefully you at least somewhat followed with all that. What helps me remember better is this diamond shape that the face makes, which is especially noticeable from the front. I'll put links in the description to these 3D models if you'd like to check them out for yourself. And if you're interested in either a more in-depth look at eyes or ears, give one of these videos a watch next. Thanks for watching!